come on in, come on. When did my love of Eucerin begin? I have been a long time fan of the brand. Started with their body lotion. I've always loved their body lotions. And more recently, I've become obsessed with their face products, like the Immersive Hydration line. I love the Moisture Boost Serum. I feel like my skin just like drinks it in immediately. This just is like, it's the perfect first step in my routine. Obsessed. It's formulated with 2 sizes of hyaluronic acid to intensively hydrate deep within skin surface layers and visibly smooth fine lines and wrinkles. I think as I've gotten older and busier, I've recognized the importance of efficacy, something that is going to be effective and I can notice results. I feel like my day and night routine don't look too different. I mean, obviously I'll probably use a night cream at night, but I always start with my Moisture Boost Serum. The Tinted Mineral Sunscreen, it's the only dermatological sun care brand formulated with 5 antioxidants to help defend against long-term sun damage. It's tinted, so it kind of like eliminates having to put on makeup and foundation. So this is like one of my favorite steps, especially in the summer. This is my go-to. The Advanced Repair Body Lotion. It's enriched with ceramide 3 and natural moisturizing factors for 48-hour moisture. I love that Eucerin has me covered body, face, and sun care. I feel like sometimes when you're super dry or you're using a really hydrating lotion, sometimes it can have like a sticky residue, and this doesn't. This just feels silky and soft, and my body loves it. This right here. My favorite, my go-to. The best wellness advice I've ever received, be intentional and carve out time for yourself. Oh, a typical morning looks like getting up before my kids, getting my skin routine handled, and lots of coffee. Skincare is not about trends. It's not about using a ton of products or using expensive products. It's finding what is effective and finding a routine that works for you and sticking with it. I can expect more with Eucerin.